right, girls.
Thank you.
What are you opening?
I have an Ariel book with Seagull and Frozen book and another Seagull.
Who's that from?
Chad and Christy. Thank you.
And who else
Thank
is
you for all these wonderful books. I am so happy.
Who else is it from?
Yeah. Chad and Christy. Williams and Josie.
There you go. Look at Taya.
A party in your tummy book.
Taya, what is that?
Mom.
Are you too sick?
He said thank you.
So exciting.
Honey, watch out. They're very, very sick right now. Okay, girls, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Thank you so much. See the video.
It's still recording.
I love you.